beautiful ladies. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. Tomorrow's the 4th of July and it's gonna be a bunch of festivities. Hope you have a good 4th of July tomorrow. So first I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm going to be running to the store real quick, so this is going to be more of a toned down makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and mix two BB creams. I have here the Misha Friends BB cream in number 23, and I'm gonna mix it with number 21, which is a lighter foundation color. Skin tone has changed like throughout time, so yeah, it's just always been hard for me to match. Even following like all the advice on like if you have green veins you're warm, if you have blue veins you're cold, if you have more like rosy and redness you're cold.
Just like irritation. So I think I'm more of like a neutrals.
And then definitely want to put it in your neck here and apply. Well, actually, let me apply it under my eyes first. I'll apply it here to cover up any under eyes. Okay. Oh my god, I love using this concealer. I do have primer, you guys, but I always lose like all of like my makeup stuff. So that's why I'm just gonna go ahead and use this concealer. Sometimes what I will do too is use my BB cream concealer on top here. I'm gonna be using a lot of like the caramel colors because this color is a little bit muted, and this is from Misha too. This color right here.
And I'm only using, like, right now I'm only using the camera to do my makeup.
Which is like a more of a rosy color. And I'll do that up here. So yeah, I don't have much going on today. I'm only gonna, well, I'm gonna head out and go to Target. But as far as like doing other stuff, I don't have any plans. I am in school right now, so I have like assignments to do, which is pretty, you know, the only thing that I have going on really. So okay, so there we go. That's like a rosy color there. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a purple color. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do like a purple color. It's this one right here. This one is called Luna. Oh, I got some cat hair there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it here. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It's such a beautiful like lilac shimmery color.
Look how beautiful that color is. Oh my god, I love it. And I think I'm gonna dab a little bit in like my inner corners here. Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, so then after that, I think I'm just gonna stick with that really. I'm gonna apply that same color underneath here.
Underneath there. And then I do want to apply
This silver crystal, which is like a gold shimmery color. Yeah, I'm gonna apply that up here. Wait. Can you guys see that or not really? I guess it is very hard to see. Kind of gonna put it on like my brow bone area. But I did want like a lot of like glitter. This one, maybe does this look like it's adding more shine and sheen to it? Well, I do want to play around with the glitter. This one I know is like for real, it's glitter. It's called Marcerina. Okay, I can't pronounce that, but I'll just add it here.
I'll have to be careful with the glitter. Ooh, that's so beautiful. I love that. Do I have enough glitter here? I feel like it's kind of hard to see because of like the lighting.
Guys, I struggle with my eyeliner. And I'm using the L'Oreal Color Stay. Okay, now you guys for the last part. So this is pretty much my makeup look. Let me dim the light a little bit. Can you guys see that a little bit better? So it's definitely a lot more subtle. This hydration stick. This is the color Cashew. So I'm gonna apply that like over my BB cream that I put earlier. And I might actually apply that on my neck. Like on my neck, you guys can tell like it's a lot warmer.
I feel like I just erased part of my look.
And this hydration stick, I think it's really amazing for like hydration. It does feel super moist. It does feel like super like moist and hydrating. But to me, sometimes it makes me itch a little because it kind of feels like oil on your face. But it is like really pretty. Okay, I'm going to use my Mineral Veil powder from Bare Minerals because I do feel like I'm looking a little oily. And I definitely want a matte look. And usually, you guys, I don't do like contour or like, well, I really don't like to use blush either because I feel like my cheeks I have like a lot of redness on my face. So I feel like my cheeks already kind of look red. So yeah, so I'm gonna put some here, just a little bit. For the summer, I really like to apply translucent powder under my face mask. I'm still wearing a mask. I don't break out as much whenever I wear my mask. Like the translucent powder just kind of sucks up all the oil and it like reduces the breakouts for me. So I don't, you know, so I don't really like, so I try to use translucent powder even when I'm not wearing any face makeup if I know I'm gonna be wearing a mask for a long time, because one time my face got so like, I don't even know, I feel like I wasn't even sweating, but like when you talk and everything with your mask on, like things just get trapped in there or something, and I got like a really huge zit on my cheek and I still have like a scar, and from that point on, it took like, oh my god, it took like 3 weeks for it to go down. Like, and I tried so many different things and it was just terrible. So after that, I learned my lesson and, you know, started kind of like not wearing any face makeup under my mask and then putting translucent powder. if I was going to be wearing my mask for a long time, because it helps soaks up that oil. At least for me it does. So yeah, anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Target and then work on some assignments, and I will see you next time. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, this getting ready with me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good, happy 4th of July. Bye guys.